What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here. Today, I want to show you how to get a free proposal template as well as a service agreement, right? So, as you can see on my screen here, I'm actually on my app, Calculated Clean. And so, if you don't have the app, make sure you go download it because the proposal template is actually inside of the app, okay? So, it's available on iPhone and Android. So, if you have the app, go ahead and open the app. And most people don't realize that this is actually here because everybody knows that we have a proposal generator tool inside of the app. But what most people miss is if you click on proposals, and if you go all the way down, you'll see the free template is there. So you just click on free template, and then you'll see the link to actually download. And there's a free proposal template as well as a service agreement is on the last page. Okay, so a lot of you guys are like, okay, how do I come up with a contract or service agreement for my my new customers, or how do I submit a proposal? And here you go. Okay, so even though Calculated Clean app, if you want the full access, if you want to be able to create proposals and send them digitally, or if you want to use our bidding calculator, then you will have to sign up, and it's $4.99 a month. But if you want to use this for free, you can get it. You don't have to sign up. You don't have to create an account or anything. So just go to www.calculatedclean.com if you want it your computer, or you can download the Calculated Clean app if you're on your phone. And so you just download it, and then it'll actually be, I'm not going to do it now, but it's probably best to do this from a computer anyway, so that way you can edit it better. But it'll be a form that you can download, and you can edit and change the terms around and everything. So hopefully this was able to help you. Just wanted to give you this quick tip.